guys, this is Darren over here at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more in Shoalo, Arizona. And today we're going to be talking about the importance of maintaining your power steering fluid system. The components of the power steering system in your car are each vital to the performance of your vehicle, to say the least. Without clean and full power steering fluid, things begin to go wrong very quickly. Without the fluid to lubricate the moving parts of the steering mechanisms, the parts wear out even faster. Preventative maintenance is important for all car owners to participate in because it protects your investment. Vehicles require a lot of care and maintenance, and unfortunately, this can become incredibly costly if you do not stay on top of the routine part of it. The reason why checking the power steering fluid routinely is so important is that mechanics can catch issues sooner rather than later. Once all the damage has already been done, and you now owe money for a huge repair bill. Overall, the cost of preventative maintenance is much lower than it would be if you let things such as power steering fluid go unnoticed and deal with the ramifications later on. Sometimes the vehicle may require power steering service. Usually this involves flushing the power steering fluid and replacing it with new, clean fluid. While this won't reverse damage already done, it will prevent other, more expensive things from going wrong. So do yourself a favor and bring your car in to Horne Auto Center for their next service to have all your fluids checked. You'll be glad you did. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Darren at Horne Auto Center in Shoalo, Arizona. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns about your power steering system, just go to horneautocenter.com or come on down here and visit us and we'll get you in.